Say good morning.
I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all. I know I'm not innocent. You deserve a better man. But let me just hold your hand once more. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna take you out. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Show you what I'm all about. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and him. I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin. Cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him. I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin. Cause we're still sleeping in my head.
Come here. Shh. Don't wake William. Come here. Maya. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. John just left for work and now I'm hanging out with the babies. William was just having a little bit of a fuss, but I surrounded him with toys and I think he's okay. And now that he's seen the camera, he's definitely okay. Oh, hi, Timber. Oh, hi, Timber. Oh, are you gonna fuss? Oh, buddy. Hello, my sweet. Hello, my sweet. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? Hi, handsome. What's wrong, my angel? Are you tired? Are you tired? I think it's close to 4. It's 3:30. Emma's having a little snack. It's about 3:30, so I don't know. I guess we're approaching nap time. Yeah, dear. You've been awake for probably 2 hours or so, huh? So we have some new developments with William. Emma has been like legit crawling for a while now. And she's been like pulling herself up on things and, you know, she's been able to stand. Like if we held her up, she could support herself. And then now she's started being able to stand up on her own. And William was kind of behind with all that. He wasn't like legit crawling. He was just like army crawling. And he hadn't been pulling himself up and he wasn't standing. So he was like behind on like all these milestones. But I think from watching her, he was like, okay, I don't want to be behind anymore. And now he's doing all 3. Like within a week, he started legit crawling on his knees, you know, pulling himself up onto his knees. And then now just within the last couple of days, he can stand himself up as well. So, yes, you're such a big boy. You're so strong. You're so strong. Wow, 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 wow. Say, sissy ain't beating me. No, no. So now I have an excuse to start buying shoes because I'm sure they'll be walking within the next couple months. Are you gonna walk before you're a year old? Oh, I love baby shoes. I'm so excited to start shopping for baby shoes. I'm not excited to spend the money, but I think we can get you a pair of shoes, a couple pair of shoes for you and Sissy. Yeah? So that when we take you out, you can be styling and profiling. Yeah, dear. Yeah, dear. Oh, wow, you're so strong. Wow, you're so strong. Yes, sir. Hello. Can I help you? Timber. I'm hoping the rain stops in order for us to take our evening walk because, let me tell you, it throws us all off. Like, it's my chance to get out of the house. The kids absolutely love going out for a walk. The dogs, it's necessary for them because they're just so hyper. And, you know, it's obviously good exercise for them. And they're like off the wall hyper when they don't get a walk, the dogs. Like, we have a fenced in yard, but it's not the same. Like, they won't go outside and run around in the yard for like 45 minutes. But when we go for a walk, it's usually a 45-minute walk or so, and it just wears them the heck out. So when we can't do that, that means they tear around the house and drive us all crazy. Let's see. All right, it looks like we're gonna have a break in the rain this evening, so I think we'll be able to get out for our walk. Cross your fingers, please. What are you doing over here? Are you done, Miss M? She's gonna roll herself out of her pillow. Can you do it? Go, Miss M. Can you get out of your pillow? Get out of your pillow. Wow. Are you stuck? Are you stuck? You can get out. Go, M. Yay! Good girl. Good girl. Careful. Be careful. You're silly. You're silly, Emma Grace. Say hello, Miss Emma. They both went down for their second nap of the day around 4, and it's now 5, and this little miss just woke up. William is still napping in the crib. She just napped over there on the floor in her little boppy pillow. With your fluffy blankets, didn't you, Miss M? Didn't you, Miss Emmy? I love you. Did you have a nice nap? Was that so nice? Was that a nice nap? Well, it's still thundering and lightning and raining outside. And I mean, we still have a little bit of time to take our walk, so hopefully it'll stop in the next hour or so we can get outside, right? We can't get outside if it's lightning. Oh no. I've just been sitting here catching up on some YouTube videos while the kids were napping. Are you free? Oh wow. Oh wow. Go, girlfriend. I just vacuumed this afternoon and got most of the dog hair up, so I figured I'd give her a bit of a roam. She loves to be free. Already at 8 months old, she doesn't like to be told what to do, where to stay, anything like that. Go, Miss M. Go, Miss M. You want to take a look outside? Oh, you hear the thunder? Wow. Do you hear the thunder? It's quite gloomy. It looks a bit darker that way. Ooh. What do you think of this weather, Miss M? Keeping us trapped inside. What do you think? brother. William! Hi, big boy! Hi, handsome! We have to drop your crib, don't we, mister? Yeah, dear. Let's turn your fan off. Hi, handsome! Hi, precious! Hi, precious! Hi, Randall! Hi, Buddy! Wow! Oh no, what am I gonna do? I can't carry both of you. Let me go put Sissy down. And then I'll come get you out, okay? I love you, Totoit. I love you! Wow! Mwah. I love you. For some reason, this little miss has been quite cranky since she woke up. And it's supposed to be the opposite. She doesn't want to be put down, which is really difficult when you have twins. I can't carry you all the time, missa. As much as I'd love to. What's wrong, sweet girl? I gave her some more milk. She drank about half a bottle, but that's all she wanted. And she's just not pleased with life right now for some reason. I put on Tinkerbell hoping to distract her. It looks like it has, but I'm sure once I put her down, she'll cry. You want to watch Tinkerbell? Do you want to sit, watch Tinkerbell and play? Are you okay, sweetheart? Look at this toy. I got them this new VTech toy. It's a cube, and there's stuff on every side for them to play with. I think it's really cool. They seem to like it. She plays with it when she's happy. Look at the animals. You okay, sweetheart? Are you alright? Look, the puppy dog. Good girl. It's the cat. Hi, baby boy. Hi, baby boy. You're so handsome. Oh my word. What? Why don't you come over here and play? Good girl, Miss Sam. Wow, Miss Sam. Wow, look. How cool. You want to spin it? Good girl.
Can you find the animal that makes this sound?
Good job. You're so smart. Well, this barrier no longer works that well because they can stand themselves up and they're about ready to crawl over this thing. So Mama's gonna have to get a legit baby gate. Timber, excuse you. Are you going somewhere, Emma? Are you going somewhere, Emma Grace? Emma Grace. Last night, John and I had filet mignon, shrimp, and corn on the cob. And tonight, since Mama's alone, we're having Kraft mac and cheese. Not every night can be a dinner winner, you know what I'm saying? All right, I've got my dinner here, and I'm ready to feed the kids their dinner as well. Are you ready? Are you ready, Miss M?
There's a new part of me.
Alright, it looks like we have a break in the rain, so we're gonna go. And it's obviously not as hot, which is nice. It's still humid as hell, but not as hot as if the sun were out, so let's go.
Alright, I want you to see. You haven't seen the best of me, I know. You can try to fool yourself, like you love somebody else. But you and him will never feel the way we do. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out.
William's over there playing with his toy remote, and I have little Miss Emma here. We just got back from our walk not too long ago. Hi, beautiful. We did end up getting stuck in the rain. It wasn't raining when we left, maybe just like a drop here and there, but like not legit rain. But I probably look like a wet rat right now, but probably about 10 minutes into the walk, it started to rain pretty good. But luckily the stroller seats have like the covers, and I was smart enough to bring blankets just in case it started raining. So they were all covered up and super warm and cozy. So we just finished our walk in the rain, no big deal. It wasn't lightning or anything, and the dogs liked it. So we just finished our walk, and now we're gonna have bath time. What do you say? What do you say, baby girl? Do you wanna get comfy cozy in some PJs? What do you think, Miss Emma Grace? What do you think, Miss Emma Grace? You want to get all comfy cozy? Have a nice big bottle. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, hi, handsome. We didn't forget about you. Don't worry. Hi, handsome. Hi, handsome. Oh, there he is. Yeah. We didn't forget about you. Never, my William. Never, my William. Yeah. Do you want a bath? Oh, do you want a bath? Hi, Maya. She's trapped out there. Do you want a bath? Nom, 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 nom. Nom, 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 nom. I love you. Okay, y'all, it is 11:45. Both babies are finally down. I got Emma down around 9:30, 10, and I just put William in his crib like 5 minutes ago. He was fighting sleep so hard tonight. Some nights are better than others, but tonight he was just screaming and just fighting it so bad, and he had his hands in his mouth, so I think his gums are bothering him extra tonight. So I did give him a little bit of Tylenol, and he ended up passing out like 10 minutes after that. So hopefully he'll sleep decent tonight. You never know with that little monkey. But I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. I'm just having a little snack right now. Just some berries. I have raspberries and strawberries. I'm just gonna eat this and watch some YouTube videos, start editing this video, and kind of unwind. As soon as I get the kids to bed, I just want to sit on my ass and just take a deep breath and just have some time to myself for a minute, and then I have to get right back into mommy duties. I have to clean up the living room. I have a sink full of dishes, and I still want to attempt to get a workout in tonight. But we'll see. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe so that you don't miss out on anything, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Good night.